Man, it seems like every day somebody else is talking about everything going on in Terra. Whether it's the degen life strategy on Mirror, the delta neutral strategy on Mirror, getting 20% on your stable coins. It seems like everybody's saying something new about it every day. So I've decided to move some funds over to Terra, and I'm going to show you how I did it. The first thing I did was I went to eth.mirror.finance and scroll down to about the middle of the page, click on Uniswap right here. You could technically also go through KuCoin, but we're gonna go ahead and go decentralized this time. And the reason we clicked on Uniswap there instead of going directly to Uniswap is because it pre-fills in this UST instead of you having to go find the address for it, because it's not one of the listed coins here. So I have some USDC that I'm going to trade for the UST. I'm just going to go ahead and hit max, but you can select whatever amount you want. Looks like there's a better price on Uniswap v3, so we'll go ahead and click that. First thing we'll do is hit allow Uniswap protocol to use our USDC. And I have a ledger hooked up to this, so I'm gonna have to unlock that real quick. Then we'll click the button, sign the message, and we're good to go. Next, I'll hit the swap button to confirm the swap. It's like $7.36. It's not the cheapest way to do it, but it's decentralized, and you know, frankly, I just trust Uniswap. So go ahead and approve that on the ledger again. Add UST to MetaMask. Close that out. Cool. So then we'll wait for that to be written to the blockchain, and then we'll go back to eth.mirror.finance. We'll click connect if it's not already connected. And while we're waiting for that transaction to finish, if you want to go ahead and ape into the like button right below, that would help out this channel, help us grow, help us get out more tutorial content. Okay, and while we're waiting for that transaction to finish, let me know in the comments why you want to move your crypto dollars to Terra. For me, I want to try this degen life mirror strategy where you play both sides, the short and the long. But yeah, let me know what you guys are doing it for. All right, cool. Looks like that's approved. So now we're going to go to here, the button that says My Page, Terra USD here. We're going to click on the three dots next to or under Actions. We'll click on Send, and we're going to send that to our Terra address. So open Terra Station or whatever wallet you're using. Paste your address in here. Going to move the max amount, and then we'll click Send. $1.11, that's not too bad. So we'll go ahead and confirm that on the ledger again, and we'll wait for that to finish. It can take a while for the funds to transfer over, so don't freak out if you don't see your crypto dollars immediately in your Terra Station or other Terra wallet. It just takes a minute. Usually it takes a little bit longer to bridge across different chains, so just be patient. If you're getting antsy though, you can head over to Etherscan just to take a look and see what's happening. So open your wallet, click on the pending transaction, click on the arrow to view on Etherscan. And we can see here it's been about a minute. Says it should take less than 5 minutes to complete, so we'll see. Okay, looks like that was successful. So if we go back to eth.mirror.finance, we can see that we no longer have any UST holdings here. And if we open the Terra Station wallet, you can see that my UST is here. And that's it. A really short and easy tutorial on how to get your money from Ethereum over to Terra. If you like this video and found it helpful, go ahead and ape into the like button again. Really helps this channel out. Also be sure to check out this video right here where I show you what I do with the UST that I just transferred to Terra. We're going to check out Anchor Protocol and see what it's all about. Peace.